Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw before on my channel, the big cities in Germany, especially the city of Duisburg, has surprised us before in regards of beautiful parks and gorgeous lakes in the middle of a big city. So we are now near the city of Düsseldorf and Neuss, that they are combined together, and we found another park on the map. So I thought we have to check it out to see if also Düsseldorf and Neuss are going to surprise us. We are at the Selikumer park. Let's check it out. That's really cool. They even have sequoia trees here. They are absolutely not from this part of Europe, so it's really cool if you sometimes see them. But there's really a lot to see here. As you could see a few shots ago, there were also some deer. There's a little pavilion where we just were with all the information signs. There's a petting zoo, a working farm with a little cafe. So yeah, I think we found another surprise in the city. And that was the last thing I expected here. Look how huge they are compared to my hand. They're enormous. It's a really cool park. Here you can see all kind of toys where the children played with in the 1900s. So all the rocking horses, cars, nice. Yeah, once again, one big surprise in the middle of the big city of Neuss, Selikumer. Really cool place. Just for us to do a short walk with the dogs, but also for families with children. So yeah, this was really nice. Maybe not the most spectacular video of the moment, but yeah, I think it's really cool. The weather doesn't allow it to do very long hikes. You can see probably it's really warm. The heat wave's gone, but still very warm. Tomorrow it's 28 degrees again, so no really big hikes, but those are really nice alternatives. I hope that you liked it as well. If you did, give us a like, subscribe to the channel and notify the alarm bell. And then as always, enjoy the outdoors. We'll catch you on the next trail. Goodbye.